Well, good morning. God bless you. Amaryllis man reporting for duty. Still dealing with the subject of red blotch, Staga spinora. What a mean critter it is. Nobody knows how to get rid of it, but we can retard its spread with chemicals. So, I wanted to talk a little bit about storage for your forced bulbs. I unearthed these bulbs a week ago. I'm letting them dry out, and they'll be stored and refrigerated until December, and I'll plant them again maybe the last of November and have some bloomers for Christmas. So one thing that will help the health of those bulbs in storage is to treat them with hydrogen peroxide. It is a deterrent to fungus and other critters that want to attack your stored bulbs. And the formula that you need to use for that is about 50% water with 50% hydrogen peroxide. This is 3% hydrogen peroxide. There are others that are stronger. So simply dilute the hydrogen peroxide 50-50 with water. That's about it. And then dunk your bulbs into solution, as I'm doing here, and let them soak for around 30 minutes should do it. Just good coverage and a good soaking. Sometimes you'll see bubbles coming up. I don't see any this morning, but I'm giving the bulbs a head start on good storage. So after about 30 minutes, then I'll just take them out and let them dry thoroughly before I refrigerate them, or if you put them in a cool basement, dark basement, that'll do just as well. Also, you can use that same formula to do a dunk bath for a potted plant that is susceptible or has contracted red blotch, and you need to keep it off the foliage and do your dunk bath so that the foliage isn't in contact with the solution. 50% solution would harm the foliage, but it will not harm the bulb and the roots. So that's going to get rid of some of those ugly critters that give us a headache with our amaryllis. All right, well, come see us on our web store. You can still order your fall bulbs for shipment the last of October. Over 60 beautiful varieties to choose from. Get them now while you can. Oh, God bless. Talk to you later. Hope this is helpful for you. Bye-bye.